How to edit messages on Instagram. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Open the Google Play Store or App Store and check if an update is available. If you see an update button, tap on it and wait for the latest version to install. Once updated, open Instagram and go to your direct messages from the paper plane icon at the bottom. Now, tap on any of the chats and send the message as you normally would. For example, I'll type, "How are you?" and send it. Now, if you want to change your message without unsending it, you can simply edit it. Long press on the message you want to edit. A few options will appear. Tap on Edit. This allows you to modify the message. You can delete parts of the text, rewrite it, or make any corrections. Once you've made your changes, tap the Send button. Your Instagram message will be updated instantly. Important note, the edit option is only available for up to 15 minutes after sending. After that, you'll need to unsend and resend your Instagram DM. That's how you edit messages on Instagram. Make sure to update your app to access this Instagram messaging feature. If this tutorial is helpful, consider leaving a like, sharing, and subscribing to all apps for more tutorials like this.